Well, Alan, disappointing end to a season, but the boys gave a good performance and it was an exciting match, wasn't it?
Oh, really exciting, wasn't it? It was magnificent to be part of. You know, the crowd here are unbelievable to a man. It was a great occasion. Disappointing results, but you know, we'll move forward. It's going to be a busy summer.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to working with the players, working with Sean. So one journey ends and another one will start.
And you've been at the club now for, is it 4 or 5 weeks now?
Yes.
How's your time been? So are you enjoying it?
Oh, thoroughly enjoying it. You know, it's been great. Been great to be made so welcome.
Yeah.
And everyone at the club's been fantastic. And you know, I look forward to working with them in the future. You know.
What about the team? I spoke with you well, when you first joined, and you said you were quite impressed with the side.
Oh.
And what do you think of the side and the squad?
Well, you looked at them today. They give every single piece of effort they've got in their bodies. So you know, can't fault that. You know, they've been magnificent to get to where they are at the moment and achieved what they have this year has been, you know, second to none.
And finally, a quick word about the supporters.
Oh.
That was some atmosphere.
Oh, it's unbelievable. You know, it's a long time since I've seen anything like that, certainly in the Welsh Premier League. If I've ever seen anything like that, they were magnificent. You know, they are just wonderful, passionate people, and it's you know, it's nice to be part of.
Great. Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good stuff.
Canlyniad siomedig yn unithin, ond oedd hi dipyn o gem, dweud?
I'n neutral, mae'n siŵr Paul. Oedd yn dipyn o gem a tof rhaid ni, dwi'n gwybod mae'n anodd, hogiau'n deflated. Ond mae rhaid i ni cymryd positives, dim just o gem heno, so di dod yn ôl a di push nhw reit ar y diwedd. Ond tof rhaid ni cymryd positives ar y tymor, ar y cyfan. Lot o bobl di wedi deud illa, dylsyn ni di ddim cyrraedd y top 6 mor yma. Ond dyna di ffwtbol, opinions dio. Felly, oedden ni'n gwybod, ni'n hynna'n dim bod yn cocio, oedden ni just yn confidence ball, oedden ni'n gwybod, ta beth, pam ddim just pusho am y top 6 na, aim high, fatha nhw'n dweud y ffwtbol, cymryd bob gem fel maen nhw'n dŵad. Ac talla dyna beth nath ni pusho am y top 6 na, achos oedden ni just cymryd bob gem, fatha oedden nhw'n dod, a just ni 100% fatha oedden ni bod tro wneud. A wedyn, to heno, da ni wedi just dangos y never die attitude na, lle 3-1 lawr, dim llawer amser ar ôl, ond oedden ni dal yn trio encourage o pawb, only takes a second to score, ia. A wedyn gys i'r penalty na i gael ni'n ôl, a neb yn gwybod illa ar noson arall, sy'n ni wedi gallu gael illa penalty arall, neu un o'r shots gathon ni diwal mynd i fewn, 1 day extra time, ond fath o'n day wasn't to be on noson.
Ie, mae Sean Ydley yn sôn o hyd am fine margins yn bach chi. Oedden ni tar o post, tar o bar, felly un off y lein. Oeddech chi fel players yn teimlo, mae'n mod un one of those nights? Wel,
ni si'n personol, dwi wedi obviously siarad efo'r hogiau'n gofyn hynna, ond mynd 1-0 fyny, a dyn tor instant a toli gol, ydy hynna'n disruptio bethau, weithiau dim maen nhw'n gallu, dim i fi'n personol, felly nath i un o ddau o'r hogia, ond da ni dal wedi, ia, fath chi'n deud yna, da ni wedi creu y cyfleon eto hynna, which mynd positif yn ei hun, da ni wedi creu y chances na, ond ta'r noson arall, os fysa ni wedi cymryd y chances, so ni wedi gallu fod illa 2-3-0 fyny, cyn iddyn nhw'n sgorio'r un gyntaf nhw. Felly, ie, siomedig, tough one to take, fatha ma'n dweud, ond rhaid ni cymryd y positives, fatha ma'n dweud, gem yma ag y tymor ar y cyfan, a bildio wan at season nesa. Obviously, tymor nesa ond dim nid i'r new boys, felly bydd pobl illa yn disgwyl ni cyrraedd y top 6 na Paul, felly illa fydd yna bach o mwy o pwysau. Ond i ni, rhaid ni just cael yma'n enjoyo bod yn y gyngrair, achos ti'n chwarae erbyn teams ffantastig pob wythnos, fatha Caerdydd Met yno, ac fatha ni'n deud, just cymryd bob gem, fatha nhw'n dod eto tymor nesa.
Gret, diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr, Paul.
Thank you.